name is Clarice. This channel is all about DIYs and also lifestyle projects and all things pretty. If you like creating cute and pretty little things, make sure that you subscribe to this channel because we do a ton of great DIYs here every single week. If you haven't already seen a DIY that I did about 2 weeks ago, I did a acrylic inspired luxury rose arrangement. I'll put the card link up here so that you can all click on that to see it. I was absolutely in love with the recreation, and this week we are doing something very similar. It's going to be a DIY rose box. It's a whole different look, but it has a little twist. It has chocolate. Who doesn't love roses and chocolate at the same time? So I'm going to be showing you how to make that in this channel. I hope that you enjoy it. Let's get started. The first thing we'll need is a box, of course, and I got this one from the Dollar Tree. I will give you some measurements in this tutorial, but you know, it's going to depend on the box that you pick for yourself. So this is the measurements for my box. It is about 5 inches high. I found an old box from a jewelry store that I had from before, so I'm going to use this for the chocolates. You can also find these smaller boxes at the Dollar Tree. So what we're going to do is we are going to trace the chocolate box onto our big box so that we can cut a little hole there. I highly suggest that you all cut a little bit smaller than the actual shape of the small box because you do want it to fit tightly. You don't want it to fit loose. After you made a hole, you want to take your small box and try to fit it in there. If it fits perfect, then awesome, you did a great job. But if it is a little bit tight, then you can cut just a little bit more. Now I'm customizing this box, so I do want it all black. You can pick whatever color you want, and I'm just going to spray paint that with this spray paint that I've had from Michael's, which I just got for about $8. We're going to leave that to dry for a while and let that cool and air off. And meanwhile our box is drying, we can go ahead and cut our roses. Again, I got this from Costco. You can get 2 dozen for 20 bucks. It's just the best deal out there. I'm just pre-cutting them shorter. I'm also putting them in water, and I'm also putting our floral foam that we are going to be using later on so that it sucks up all the water. Alright, so now we have to build the support because how are we going to place these roses on top of the chocolates without them touching each other? Well, I'm just taking this pot of gold box and I'm rearranging it so that it fits in our box perfectly, and it actually has the sides as the legs to hold it up. Now you can build this with any cardboard. You do just have to make sure that your chocolate box that you have before will fit through this, and also you have to take into consideration how much height you have in your whole box so that your roses and this support will fit in there. So you just saw me cut a little bit of the opening for our chocolate box, and because I do want it more sturdy, we're going to add another layer of cardboard on top just so the roses sit and they are strong. It will hold it up and they're not going to fall on our chocolates. Alright, so once that's done, we do have to make sure that our chocolates are all dry. So I'm just taking some cellophane wrapping paper that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and we're just putting a little bit of that. We're putting some tape on the sides so that when we put our foam in, it doesn't sink in with the foam and it keeps our whole box dry. So we're taking our floral foam that we have pre-sunked into our water with our roses, and I'm just going to cut it in half because I don't want it to be too thick or else we're not going to have a lot of spaces for our rose. This is why you do have to make sure that your box is tall enough for your chocolates and your roses. So we're just going to cut and customize the size of that foam to the box, and then you can go ahead and add all of your roses. Make sure that you can go ahead and put the lid on and that you don't ruin the roses as you are doing this. So now on to our chocolates. I am just taking the middle of our pot of gold box. You can see that I already ate like almost half of the chocolates, but I am cutting a little bit of that middle part, and we're going to put that in the box so that we can put our chocolates on top of it. Now I'm taking a little piece of ribbon, and this is also from the Dollar Tree. We're gonna use a glue gun, and we're just gonna stick this under our chocolate box so that it could easily be pulled out. In my last rose video, I did show you how to make your own custom label, but you can put anything on here. You can put a ribbon or whatever embellishments that you want, and it just looks so beautiful. So this is such a great gift idea for any occasions. You can customize the box to whatever color you want, and obviously this is a perfect gift for the upcoming Valentine's Day. It could be a gift for anything and for anyone. If you love this tutorial, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you think of this DIY and if you are going to be recreating it. I hope to see you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye!